Diamond Clinic. Dito ako magpapa-opera. Tapos na kami nagpa-facial. Here is our doctor, Doc Ordelio.
Good morning. Good morning. Hello, kumusta? Okay, have a seat.
It's his first time here in
Really?
in
The
Philippines.
Philippines?
Yeah, so
Wow.
he's worried
What's your name,
about
sir?
me.
Thomas.
Thomas, okay. And your mom, Melanie.
Yes po. Hi, Doc.
Hi,
Nice to meet
hello.
you
Nice
po.
to meet you, ma'am. Saan kayo nag-nurse po?
Sa Sweden.
Sweden.
Huddinge.
Okay. Tapos, anong nickname?
Melanie.
Melanie, yan ang tawag sa'yo.
Uh-huh.
Okay, sige. Okay. Is it okay to speak Tagalog or English?
Please, English, please. So he
English?
could, he's been crying before.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's
So,
worried.
what nose do you want?
I want foreigner nose.
Pointer nose.
A pointed
Okay.
nose.
Pointed.
Lifted.
Lift and alar.
An alar.
You trim.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, not trim. I don't think you need to trim it.
Okay, sige.
It's just to lift it.
Okay,
And
left
then pointy.
and
a little bit slow.
osteotomy. Yeah.
Slow.
Not too much slope because
not too much.
your face is not good with
Small.
that.
Yeah.
It's small. Okay, so
Make it
hold this
perfect.
one. Of course, I will always do
I want
perfect.
the perfect nose.
Yeah. Thomas' nose is good.
Yes, I told him he has nice nose.
Okay, so we will put an implant here. Not too high, but this one I will make it like diamond tip.
I want the almond
Almond,
nostril
of
as
course,
well.
and alar lift. You're right, tama ka doon.
I don't want a pig nose.
No, I want also pig nose, and I don't want to trim your nose. And also I want to do osteotomy to narrow the bone here so that it will look plakado, like ganitong finesse.
Yeah, that's the one I want.
Osteotomy,
Yeah.
okay? Like this one.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Nose lang ba papagawa mo? Nose
Kasi
only?
may chin naman na ako.
Ano yan? Fillers or ano?
Wala.
Okay. Ito
Akin
sana,
talaga
oh.
siya.
Yung buccal,
Magkano naman?
50.
Buccal.
Buccal fat. Oo. Yes,
Tatanggalin?
tatanggalin taba. Para magkaroon ka ng shape when you do side view like this.
Ilong na lang.
Ano lang naman, suggestion ko lang naman.
Next time na lang.
Walang
pagbalik.
problema.
Mm.
Pero
Kasi
kung
ako-
ilong lang.
Okay.
Kung basta,
Ito lang.
oo, ilong only, the nose only. Okay? How will you find Philip? It's so hot, right?
No, the warm is okay.
Ah,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Saan mo siya? Sa Sweden din?
He's been driving in from Manila to Batangas and then back. Car, yeah.
Oh, talaga, wow.
No
And
problem.
it's-
Same right hand, ano?
Same, yeah.
Same.
as in.
Oh, but how about the motorcycle?
No worry.
He
That's
also
what
drive.
it's
It's fine, no problem. Yeah, okay.
I wait for your magic hands.
Okay, no worries. I'll do that. However, since this is surgery, I want you to, expect there's swelling. Of course, it's not magic like after
Yeah,
surgery.
of course, yeah.
I'm perfect. No such thing like that.
Yeah.
So don't worry. As days goes by, your nose will become, natural or thinner. The way we set the expectations.
Yeah.
Okay, then expect also a perfect shape of nostrils because there's no such thing like that. Okay, so there's an evenness that's normal but it's minimal only if ever there is.
Yeah.
Okay, so yun lang naman. You need to take good care of your nose after the surgery. So I will be giving you the course of instructions. When you clean your nose, you need to read this
Yeah.
all again, all again, so that you will be take good care of it. Okay? Yun
Yeah.
lang naman.
We're planning to travel back to Province 21
Saan
after
province
surgery.
mo?
Later.
Leyte, oh.
Bisaya.
Bisaya, oh.
Waray,
Waray ka
Bisaya.
din.
Waray, Bisaya.
Waray.
Mix.
Matatapang yan. Kaya pala ang ganda ng ano. Okay, so here is your medication. Wala na bang tanong?
Yun lang. Yung gusto ko yung perfect na
Oh.
nose na bagay naman syempre sa
Yung
mukha
bagay
ko.
sa'yo.
Oo.
Sige.
Yung hindi naman sobrang taas, na pawitch na, hindi rin yung parang hindi na nagbago.
Hindi nagbago. Ako bahala dyan.
Oh,
Dami
gusto-
ko nang ginawang ganyan.
Tapos gusto ko yung medyo nag-iba yung mata. Ayoko naman pagpaduling na
Oo
ako.
naman. Relax ka lang. Parang yan lang yung ginagawa eh. Okay?
I feel you.
So,
I
if you
trusted you, Doc.
Thank you. Nag-fasting ka? Okay. If you don't have any questions,
I rebook my time with Yapi. I choose here. Oh, I already did book there, but
Makamagit sa vlog yan, Huwag na.
it's okay.
Sige, pero sinong mga friend mo na nagpagawa dito? Wala pa?
Wala. Nakita lang kita sa groups.
Nakita mo lang. Okay, sige. Papamalas ko sa iyo ang magic hand. Okay?
Yeah.
So, you have any allergy to medications?
No.
Wala?
What,
Okay.
as far as I know, no.
Okay. Antibiotic, Coamoxiclav.
It's okay.
Okay. Ubusin mo lahat to, ha? Okay. Umaga, tanghali, gabi for 7 days. For swelling, umaga, gabi for 5 days. For bleeding, umaga, tanghali, gabi 3 days. Arnica, 5 pellets. Individual pellets yan. So, under the tongue lang. Parang candy sublingual. Iskizin, good for wound healing for 2 days, of 2 weeks. Ointment, manipis lang po sa umaga and then ointment sa gabi. If medyo nababara ka or sinisipon, you can take decongestant like Nafarin A, Decolgen, or Neosep. Bahala kung ano gusto mo doon. But that's normal. And then you can clean your nose inside by doing flow sinus care slowly so that you can flush the dirt and the blood that it will form if ever meron.
If I sneeze, it's no problem.
Just don't overdo it. Like sneeze
Because
through your mouth.
I have
Allergic rhinitis?
allergy
Okay.
from dust.
You can take antihistamine so that it will prevent sneezing. That's fine also.
Yeah,
Okay.
I have actually I have
Dust and the cats.
yeah,
You have
and
antihistamine.
dust. But I didn't bring it here.
You can take it antihistamine when you feel like that in the morning. Okay?
Okay.
And then the solution, the orange one, outside lang sa wound lang, ha? So yan lang naman ang kailangan mo. Don't remove the cast. You will be the one to remove the cast and the ear plug. Don't remove it. It is stitches already.
Oh, gusto ko yung mesh.
Mayroon tayo.
Bagay ba yun?
Oo naman, nilalagay ko.
Nilalagyan mo talaga?
Oo.
So ano yung procedure ko?
Osteotomy.
Implant, osteotomy. Kailangan pa ba ng osteotomy?
Oo
Hindi naman
naman.
siya wide eh.
Oh yes, kailangan. Kasi nga, lalo na pag ganyan, yung
okay.
goal mong
Okay.
nose eh.
Okay.
Gusto mo na nga, perfect. Tapos, yung sinuggest ko, hindi mo sinunod. Okay.
Okay.
Tapos, alar leaf.
Sa susunod.
Yeah.
Alar leaf.
Yeah.
And then pointed.
Pointed.
And then a little bit high bridge.
Yeah.
Hindi little bit, but high bridge.
Kung
But,
bahala dyan, yung
syempre
feminine.
babagay.
Oo naman.
Yeah. That looks perfect to my face, of course.
Okay?
Yeah.
Pero siyempre, there's still swelling. So, kala mo medyo hindi natural tingnan. Pero habang tumatagal, alam mo naman ang review ko paganda ng paganda.
Oo
Ha?
nga eh, maganda nga eh. I've been
Searching.
checking. I've been checking your page from bottom up to.
Really?
Yeah.
Tagal ko na, di ba?
Yeah. So you can trust
Stable
Dr.
na.
Aurelio.
Oh.
He's been
Check you
stable.
on,
He's been
flow
checking
order.
you also.
Really?
Yeah.
Yes.
He's been checking you.
Oh, that's
So he feels safe
You
after
feel safe.
that.
Oh, especially right now.
Yeah.
You cannot turn away.
Yeah.
You're here in my clinic already.
Yeah, and
Joke
also
lang.
I actually meet you in person, not just like after, because I heard after I've been laying and full sleep, then the doctor go away and another
Ah,
people.
really?
Yeah, I heard that. That
Anong
the
procedure?
other people also rhinoplasty.
Rhinoplasty.
Yung doctor umaalis, tapos iba yung gumagawa pag natulog.
Ghost
Yeah.
surgeon. Oh,
Yeah.
Hindi ako ganun. Ako lang eh. That's why ito yung binabayaran. Okay?
Yeah, that's my magic hands. You have to trust him.
So you can wait here or you can just go around in the complex. There's a coffee shop. There's eyelashes or you can do facial. I don't know.
How long?
1 to 2 hours.
1 to 2.
Yeah. You can wait here if you want.
He already knows. Huh?
It's not that long. Okay?
Yeah.
May
Yeah.
tanong pa? Wala na?
Just bring me back to life.
Basta walang
That's
ganun.
my
Ano
goal.
ka ba? No, ano lang to, sedation. Para ka naman hindi nurse. Naka-vlog pa ba?
Hindi.
Ano ba? So
Naka-vlog.
funny. Okay, sige. Tayo po dito, ma'am. And then I'll take a photo of you.
Okay po. Guys, ito na nga talaga. Ang final na talaga to, charot. Magagargle muna ako. Kasi kasama yan sa tawag nito, sa procedure. Magagargle daw ako. Meron pala silang gargle dito, oh. Bactidol. Ito, igagargle ko to. See you, Doc. See you, Doc. Hello, Doc. Very funny siya. Ready na, ready. Ay, ready na ako. Magpailong. Kikita mo na yung ilong ko. Next, ito naman. Tapos, chin. Diba? Nantay na lang natin na tawagan tayo. Excited. Ba't hindi ko maramdaman yung sakit? Kasi may pusok mamaya. I knows, the whole knows. Thank you. Takot ako. Pero I trust my life to you all.